Good evening to everyone. Assalamualaikum habibi Rahman. كيفك كله تمام كويس؟ عليكم السلام. كيفك كله تمام كويس? Good evening in the Philippines. Ngayon lang po ako nag-open ng Facebook kasi may sakit po ako. Hindi ako nag-open ng Facebook. May sakit po ako. I'm sick now until now. Anak taaban. But alhamdulillah. God bless you habibi in Saudi. Abdullah Sukran. Sukran Abdullah Sukran. Kefik kulo damang kois. Good night to all. Okay, I just open my Facebook because I'm sick, anak kaaban. That's why hindi ako makapag-reply sa inyong lahat. How many days po ako ay may sakit. Okay, just go lang tayo. Hi madam Adilpa. May pumasok na Pilipino, isang Pilipino, Adelfa. Sukran, good evening sa Adelfa, Filipino. Cheese below Siko, Sio, Filipino. Assalamualaikum Asif. Hello. Assalamualaikum. Hello, beautiful Asir. Thank you so much. Kefe kulo naman boys. Good night, sweet dreams. Aywa. Shamabash. Thank you for watching me today. Mashallah, good evening. Khan, assalamualaikum. How are you? Fine, alhamdulillah. Asif, assalamualaikum. Asif, alaikum salam. Shanabas, thank you. Assalamualaikum. Kullu alaikum salam. Today, alhamdulillah, I got new millions, 1.7 millions and 1.3 millions. Nagsabay po yung millions ko today, but alhamdulillah, kaya even I'm sick, gustuin ko po mag-open ng Facebook, kaso lang po galing po kami sa hospital kay Mister. Okay, nag-an po ako, tinis ko lahat ano yung sakit na finding ko. Wala naman po, siguro po hindi ko po alam ang ano ko situation ko ngayon kasi pabalik-balik po ang lagnat ko. I'm weak, I'm very weak, kaya nag-upload po ako, hindi ako masyadong nag-upload video sa mga videos, but alhamdulillah. Assalamualaikum Rana Nadim. Alaikum salam habibi. You're from Saudi Arabia. In my new Facebook channel, support me. Asif. Yes, I will support all of you. Okay. Manum Alice, very nice. Thank you so much. Sada Kefek. Yes, assalamualaikum. Thank you yung pumasok sa live ko. Thank you, Sokran. Pasensya po kung hindi ako makapag-reply sa inyong lahat kasi po may sakit po ako. Mas gugustuhin ko po mag-rest muna, okay? How many days po na pabalik-balik po ang lagnat ko. I'm sick, but alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah is live, okay? Thank you, Shanabas. Thank you to all. Ang daming nag-inbox sa akin, hindi ko ma-replyan. Ang daming nag-inbox sa akin, hindi ko ma-replyan. Thank you po, hindi ko ma-replyan. I'm so sorry guys if I cannot reply to all of you. Kasi po, hindi ko matapos po yung ano po working ko, at saka hindi po ako nakapokus lagi sa reels, okay? Hindi po ako nakapokus lagi sa reels. Kasi pinapagalitan na ako ng mister. Wala daw akong tulog, ganito. Saudi Makkah, mashallah. So Makkah is very near from me. Almost I drive in Makkah 40 minutes sometimes, okay? If no traffic. Good evening, Ismail and Pakistan. Mashallah. You're Riyadh? Yes, alhamdulillah. I'm from Pakistan, from Nadim. Mashallah. Welcome Pakistan, Bangladesh. I have more followers, Bangladesh, Pakistan, India. I'm lying with mine out. Anyone who please let me inbox. Let me inbox. I'm so sorry if I cannot reply any one of you kasi po I'm so busy person po. Hindi po ako basta-basta maka-open po sa mga inbox ninyo po. Ang gumagamit po sa messenger ko minsan po yung anak ko. Okay? Yung anak ko po kasi binigay ko ang password ko. Kasi po, get well soon. Thank you po, Eric. Thank you, Eric, for your comment. Thank you, Sukran. What is this? My followers, we can go to gandang internet ngayon. I'm so sorry. Can you call? I cannot call anyone, okay? Assalamualaikum. We love you all. We love you all. We love you all. Okay? We love you all. Thank you. Thank you so much. You're from Saudi Arabia. I like your friend. I like you too. We love you all. We love you all. I'm Bangladesh. Love you, Saudi Arabia. Yes. I'm Bangladesh. Love you, Saudi Arabia girl. MashaAllah. I'm Bangladesh. Want support you, mom. Thank you, Amir. We support each other. Looking for beautiful working business. MashaAllah. Yadab. Assalamualaikum. Alaikum salam. Elegant and nikab. Thank you, Sukran. Sukran Katir. I love you all. Almost people they said I love you, Fatima. MashaAllah, I love you all. I like the comment, I love you all. Thank you so much. We love you all. And go lang tayo, keep it going, okay? Keep it going. Hello, pretty sis. Laruna. Welcome, Laruna. Okay? Thank you. Yung pumasok na mga Pilipino na kababayan ko. Kasi po almost mga pumasok po dito ay mga ibang lahi. Okay? Thank you. Yung pumasok. We love you all. We love you all. Wallah. We love you all. Pasensya po kung hindi ako makapag-reply sa inyong lahat kasi may sakit po ako. Paulit-ulit po ito. Okay? Don't be sad kasi magre-reply din ako sa inyong lahat. Okay? I'm not feeling well until now. How many days I'm weak. Okay? Thank you for the Laruna, for the stars. Thank you so much, Habibi. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum. Alaikum salam. Mia. Kaya fi kullu damam kois, please support me. Yes, inshallah I will support all of us. Bangladesh. Too much Bangladesh. Too much Pakistani. India. MashaAllah. Welcome to my page in Facebook. Love you, Fatima. We love you all. Okay, we love you all. MashaAllah. Bangladesh is my country. MashaAllah. Welcome, Bangladesh. Mahim. Thank you po yung pumasok sa live ko. We love you all. Gulam from Pakistan. Thank you. We love you. Sunabas, thank you po. Welcome. Okay, bye. Bye, we love you. Marunong ka mag-Tagalog, madam? Yes, marunong po ako. I can speak Tagalog because I came from Philippines. I born in the Philippines, mashallah. I'm very proud I'm Philippines, okay? Hindi ko ikakahiya, ako ay Pilipina. I'm very proud Filipina because almost Saudi here, they love Philippine, okay? I'm working in a hospital, almost Saudi, Rijal. They said, are you Philippine? Yes. Well, they said, the Philippines, mara kwais, mia, working, sida, mapi kida. They love Filipina because they said, Filipina is very clean, and they are working very nice and very kind. The Filipina people, wallahi, I'm very proud kasi po, napakalinis po. Almost po mga kaibigan ko, Dr. Abdul Alutibi, Zara, Sharif, my best friend Saudi, they said Filipina, hanhepek Philippine, marakwais, shukul, kida alatul, mafi kida, okay? Almost Saudi, they love Philippine. We are proud Philippine, okay? Wallah, almost my friends Saudi, wallah, I have more friends Saudi na Philippine is almost counting. Ang kaibigan ko po ay mga Pilipino ay hindi po marami, but the Saudi, I have more friends, okay? Almost po positive ang sinasabi nila sa mga Pilipino po. I'm very proud kasi po, naririnig ko po sa almost mga patient ko po, inti Philippine kalam, okay? Anak kalam aywa, madam, wala mia Philippine, syukur kwais, mapikida-kida. That's why I'm very proud for Filipino. Sana po ngayon 25 po, wag po kayo, lumabas na 25 na walang ikama or lasing. Okay, ito lang po ang advice ko sa inyo kasi ang asawa ko po ay kapatid niya ay police din, okay? Marami pong nasa area po sila sa 25, okay? Be careful mga Pilipino, sana po walang topic na marinig tayo ng mga Pilipino ay ganito. Wallah, I'm very proud from Filipino, okay? That's my advice for all my kababayan. We love you all, guys, okay? They are working hard here in Saudi Arabia for her family. Mashallah. And hindi ko po ikakaya, ako ay Pilipina. I came from Philippines. Okay, I born a Muslim, alhamdulillah. My father in Mindanao, Marawi City po. Maranao po ako. I'm very proud from Maranao people, mashallah. We love you guys. Hindi ko i-deny ay ako ay kasi almost po Saudi, they said hindi Saudi la kalamana, okay? I'm not Saudi kasi kapag pumupunta po ako sa mall, nakakakilala sa akin hindi Saudi la alatul ana kalam ana Philippine. Kasi ang Pilipino po ay almost they said they are good people, they are clean, they are kind to the patient, everything. But sana po wala tayong marinig na mga Pilipino ay ganito po. Sana po. We love you guys. Love you. And have a cool fatum. Bye. Good night.